My name is Michael. Welcome back to Masdoku blog, episode 21, size 5 by 5, difficulty 4, without operator. I want to start with interesting technique. Let's look in a cage E1. Its value is 18. It's plus or multiplication. Can be multiplication? No, it can't. Cage E1 contains almost all numbers from column E. So it has to divide on it. And there are two numbers which like number 4 and 5, which one of them will be definitely in the cells of cage E1. But 4 and 5 don't divide E1, so its multiplication can be its operator. So it's 18. If we look at the value of cage E1, we subtract value of D2 and add value of E5, that will be sum of all cells from column E, which we know is 15. From this logic, we know that D2 minus E5 is 3, which leaves us with only two options. It's either 4-1 or 5-2. In this case, we have single set of candidates, feel easy. These candidates we feel left for this row, first row. However, assume that this number is 1. Then these two numbers are 2 and 3, and their sum is 5. To complete 6, we need these two numbers to be in total 1, which is impossible, and product of them 2 by 3 is 6, so product of those two has to be 1 if the value is 6 and operation is multiplication. Both of these cases are impossible, so that's why 1 is impossible here. Fill in the rest of the possible candidates for the rest cells in this cage. Now let's look at another interesting technique, similar to what we had at the beginning. If we look in a cage of all the cells and we divide by value of those two cells and multiply by value of those two cells, it's gonna be product of all cells in column B, which as we know is 120. From this we can deduce that product of those two cells and equal product of these two cells multiplied by 6, which leaves us with only possibility if it's 3 and 4, and this is 1 and 2. That's why we wrote it like that. We can eliminate 3 from here as because of this naked pair, and we can write down left of candidates for this cage, for this column, and we can eliminate 1 from this naked pair. So we get chain, we go fill it 1 by 1, okay, until we go here. And then we write down all possible candidates for this row, 3, 4 and 5, but 3 can be, because it's already here, so this cannot be 3, so 3 has to be here. Okay, another elimination, okay, what, how can we have number 5 in this case? It's either multiplication 1 by 1 by 5, which is impossible because we have 1 here. It's 1 plus 1 plus 3, which again is impossible because of the 1 here. So the only option left is 2 to 1, which gives us the value of the last number in this column. And we can just write down candidates for this row. 3 is already eliminated, so we unroll it. Keep unrolling. Okay, from what we had from the beginning, we knew that if D1, D2 is 5, then E5 has to be 2. So we write it down. We fill missing value from the column. Elimination, elimination. Okay, row 4. Two numbers missing, 3 and 4. 3 can be here, so it's 4. And 3. And rest of the values in a column. That's how we solve the puzzle. Thanks for your attention. Stay tuned for the next episodes.